back to Crafty Kids. In this video, we'll be seeing how to make a paper couch. So for this activity, we need a square piece of paper and a rectangular strip of paper. So let's get started. So first, we have to fold the paper in half. Step number 2 is that you have to fold the paper in half in the opposite side. Now I'm folding all the sides of the paper to the middle line. So next step is that we have to fold both the sides of the paper to the middle line again. Now I'm unfolding this back and I'm folding the two opposite sides to the middle line. Now we have to unfold it back again and we have to take two sides out and we have to fold the other two sides back to the middle line again. Now I'm taking this corner and I'm folding it to the top. And I'm doing the same step again. We have to do it on the opposite side as well. So now we have to open it to make a box and we have to fold it. So now our box is ready and we have to make another box of the same way. Then we have to put it together. So now I have to keep this aside and I'm taking a rectangular strip of paper and folding it in half. Then we have to take a pair of scissors and cut it. And I'm taking one more strip of paper, the leftover piece, and I'm folding this in half as well and I'm cutting it again. So now we have one long strip and two small strips. So now we have to take the box and flip it over to this side. Now we have to take the long strip and we have to fold it and we have to put it inside. Now we have to repeat the same step again on the sides as well. We have to fold it into small pieces, then we have to fold it and keep it inside. We have to push it inside the box. So I'm taking the other piece and I'm putting it inside as well. So now our paper couch is ready. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. Bye!